Hello friends, welcome to ADO.NET tutorial. In this video, we will see how to filter data using the DataView. So what we have to know is the RowFilter property. The RowFilter property of the DataView control allows us to search and filter the data displayed in it. So to perform search as well as filter, we can make use of the RowFilter property. The property accepts a string like the var class. So in SQL query, we will be using the var class, right? The same way, you can specify a complex string that performs RowFilter as well as a search. So let's see some quick examples. So to this RowFilter property, if you give an string value as country equal to UK, this will perform search based on the country, right? And it will filter all the country that is named with UK. So all UK country will be filtered based on this specific string once you assign this to the RowFilter. So you can also use the AND condition just like how you use it in the var class. Here country equal to UK and city equal to COS. You can use the percentage symbol and the like operator, city like and B%. That means get all the city that starts with B. Now you can see how we are using it. So we are getting the default view and we use the RowFilter property this time, right? From default view, that means data view, we are accessing the RowFilter property and we are assigning the search text here. That's all we need to do, and filtering will be performed once user clicks this search button, because we are handling the search button click event. Inside that we are setting the RowFilter property. Let's go to the demo and see how this is working. So here is the search text, right? Now we will implement the search click. So RowFilter is the property that we are using here. That's all. Now we will explore the filter functionality. So here in the search text, I am giving customer ID equal to Control-C, and when I click search, you can see only that specific row is filtered here. Right, now this time we will give country equal to UK, and you can see now the data table is filtered and we set search text as country. Right here only UK country stuff is displayed, and inside that we will be seeing two cities. One is London and another one is COS. Now let me copy that COS here and use the AND condition, then say COS. That gave the error. Let's do it once again. Country equal to UK, COWES, and let's put AND. Country equal to UK and city equal to COS. and you can see that here. Now if I change it as London here, now the covers will be skipped and we will be seeing only London. So you can apply even our condition also. Let's state country equal to UK, or country equal to, let's state France. So you can see now UK and France is displayed. Likewise, you can put any search text, like here let me go ahead with the city like B percentage. So the city that starts with B or A percentage, that means the city that starts with A, and you can see there are 3 cities that is starting with A. One from Germany and 2 from USA. So you can apply the search. Before that, you can check the documentation, and almost all where condition stuffs are supported here. So that's all about the search feature. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.